Hi everyone, welcome to my glitter series. Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Snowgies. It's a hacked glitter from the Glitter Guy. I think that's how you pronounce the name. I'm not quite sure. But as you can see, this bottle of glitter has been through some things. It is covered in epoxy because this is the glitter that I go to if I'm trying to add a little bit of sparkle to my tumbler. So I have grabbed this one too many times with epoxy all over my gloves. This is just my absolute favorite. The color of the sparkle that it has is just so pretty. I love all the colors that it shines to. It's kind of, I guess it shines more purple than anything. I'll show an example of it on a cup in a second. I definitely need to buy more of this glitter because I use it so often and I'm running pretty low. This is an example of Snowgies that was mixed into my epoxy to go over this layer so that I could add a little bit of sparkle to the paints that are here. The colored areas are paint. So I wanted that to sparkle as well, so you can see it right there. So this glitter is a hacked glitter. That essentially means that if you were to do an ombre on a cup with spray paint, so spray paint the bottom purple and the top pink, and then, the spray paint kind of overlaps in the middle. If you were to pour this glitter all over the cup after that, then it would look like you glittered the cup those two colors. So it's really helpful to make an easy ombre or just to add a really good sparkle over your cups. It is a fine cut, so it is 0.010, that's the size. So it's very small and it's just a great glitter to work with. Snowgies has two different glitter buddies. Snowgies is a fine cut at 0.010. Flurries is a medium cut at 0.040. And Olaf is a chunky mix. These will be coming up next on my glitter series. Here's what this glitter looks like in a mold. As you can see, there's one or two chunks of a different glitter that's made their way in there somehow. But it kind of shines purple and then a little bit of green. Thanks for watching my video. You can find this glitter at theglitterguy.com.